I identified with Michelle Zauner talking about how she couldn't quite perfect her mother's recipes.
A specific dish that reminds me of my home would have to be galbi and meat jun, which is funny because I associate them with Hawaiian culture, but they're also Korean. I associate them with celebrations, birthday parties, and graduations.
My dad, whenever it's cold or rainy or gloomy outside, he always makes this dish called canh. It's a soup, so it's just very comforting. It's one of the things I miss most here because whenever it gets gloomy outside, I try to make a soup, but I just know I can't recreate his soup.
I grew up on a farm in Washington State, so it was the various stereotypical American apple pie that my mother would make out of our apples from our orchard that I never can totally master that recipe.
I'm Honduran, so my grandmother had a baleada restaurant. I really like baleadas, and every time I go back home to LA, I make my aunt make me some because they're so good.
I grew up in Tennessee for most of my life, so something that really reminds me of home is sausage gravy on biscuits. It's like my favorite southern comfort food, and it's really hard to find it here, like done well.
A food that reminds me of my family is definitely caldito, like any type of warm soup that has tomato in it or anything with potatoes. Potato is definitely one of my comfort foods. Anytime I go back home, my dad always makes me something with potatoes.
My grandpa barbecues all the time. Whenever I come home, it's like, can you pull out the grill, please?
A food that reminds me of home and my family for sure is a dessert called monkey bread. And I used to make that with my sisters every year for my dad's birthday or for Father's Day.